So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this influencer unboxing, and I received this from the company Influencer. And what that is that is just a website or app where you can review products, get reviews on products that maybe you're interested in, and you're not sure if you want to purchase and you want to see what other people think. It is a great site, and they did send me this complimentary for me to try out and see if I like it. And there's just a few skincare items in here. This is their Olay, I believe they call it Voxbox. And I was sent these. I didn't know I was getting these, and so I was really excited to receive them. And like I said, this was free and complimentary, and they sent me this, and I'm doing this video review on my own. And so I wanted to share with you guys the products that I got and what I think about them. And so let's go ahead and get started. So basically, I'm looking at my phone so I can tell you guys. So basically, like I said, Influencer is just a, you can either go online, influencer.com, or I have the app, and I can show you what the app looks like. It looks just like this. It's this one right here with the orange. And basically, what people do on this site is, like I said, anytime there's new products that come out, they will have them here. They'll give you reviews, and you can also put your reviews on things that you like as well. It's great to share, and it's great to just kind of inspire other people on what you think about a product, and also get their input as well on a product. So I want to just go ahead and share the items that they did send. And I have been using these now for a little bit over 10 days, these products. So let's go ahead and get the products out. And I've always been a big fan of Olay products. When I was in my 20s, I used a lot of Olay products. And towards the latter part of my 20s, I did stop using Olay products for a period of time because as I was getting older, my skin started to change, and I noticed that some of the products were a little too drying for my skin. And even if I used like the sensitive, I didn't feel like it did enough that I wanted it to do, so I had stopped for a short period. But these are two of their newer items, and the first one is the Olay Brightening Eye Cream, and it looks like this. And this is in a 0.5 fluid ounce. And as you can see, I have been using this every day since I got it, and you just really don't put a dent in the product as of yet. But I've been using it, and it says here on the little card that came with it, it did come with a little information card, and it says Olay Brightening Eye Cream. It says, brighten your look. Eye cream treatment instantly reduces the appearance of dark circles and hydrates to reduce fine lines and wrinkles over time. It says erase yesterday, addresses discoloration to help make sleep, stress, and diet look under control. Show-stopping glow with light reflecting complex hydrates to smooth and eliminate dewy skin. Uniquely designed and rich formula targets thinner skin around the eyes as vitamin C and optic brighteners deliver a youthful and well-rested look. Bright Eyes for All blends with any skin tone to its super light formula. So I have been using this now, like I said, for at least 10 days. Today will actually be the 10th day, and I have been enjoying this. Now, I will say it's very creamy. It's not too overly creamy. It's not under creamy. It feels really, really nice. It's perfect for underneath the eyes. I so far have been enjoying it, and I've been putting it on my eyes at night in the evening to get a little bit more moisture in the evening time. And I've been using this. Now, I will say that it does moisturize my eyes really, really well. I don't feel my eyes to be tight or anything when I put this on. The only thing that I can say is using it in 10 days. I can't say for 100% that it has reduced my dark circles or my fine lines, but I am going to continue using all of the product to get a full test of it to see if it does stand up to all of its claims. But so far, I will say the moisturizing part I have been loving. I noticed that when I wake up in the morning, under my eyes just feel so soft and so, I wouldn't say oily because it doesn't feel oily, but they just feel really hydrated and kind of like baby skin, just real soft and moisturized. So I have been really enjoying this, and I will continue, like I said, to use it until all the product is gone. And so far, I have not had any kind of reactions from it or anything. I do have sensitive dry skin, and I haven't had any issues. And I will continue to update you guys and let you know about this. I'm going to be doing a video soon on my current skincare routine as far as morning and evening. And this will be in it because, like I said, I'm using this to test it out. And I'm using this in the evening time with the cleanser that I'm going to talk about as well. But so far, it's so good. So far, it's been really good, and I've been enjoying it. Now, the next item that they sent me was the Olay Total Effects Cleansing Whip Light as Air Feel Polishing Cream Cleanser. It says it's 7 signs of visibly healthy skin. And it looks just like this. And this is in a 5 fluid ounce. So they gave a full size of this. And I'm thinking that this is their full size as well of their eye cream. And so that's a really, really good size. Both of them are going to last a very long time. But the claims on this, it says hydrating formula. It says it micro polishers and hydrators gently work on the skin for a deep clean without over drying. Light as Air Feel Creamy Whipped Cleanser removes dirt, oil, and daily buildup from your face and leaves skin feeling light as air. It says, finally, a hydrating face wash that doesn't leave residue behind, allows better absorption of moisture. And it says it's a whipped facial cleanser which gives you visibly healthy looking skin with every wash, leaving your skin feeling light as air. The unique face wash formula is infused with vitamins and antioxidants, revealing healthy, hydrated skin. Now, they did have another one, which I did not get. I received this one, and that one is the same thing pretty much, except it says it's a polishing cream cleanser with deep clean with anti-aging results. So, what I have to say so far on this, I've been using this, like I said, for over 10 days. And it doesn't really have a scent. But what I will say is this is almost a cleanser and a scrub in one. And it just has that really gentle, it has like a cleanser, you know, you can see the cleanser, but it has these little micro beads. And I don't know if you're able to see those in there, but they're very gentle on the skin. And this just makes your face, now I am a dry skinned girl, as I've stated many, many times, but this just gives my face, it's just been feeling really, really great on my face. Not only does it cleanse my skin, but it also, like I said, has those little micro beads that gently exfoliate my skin. So when I'm done washing my skin, I can feel my skin just feeling so moisturized. It doesn't feel tight. It feels very baby soft, if that's what I can say, very smooth. And I believe it's because the 2-in-1 product. And I have really, really been enjoying this product. It makes my skin feel really good. Like I said, it's only been 10 days and I have been using it consistently since I received it. But I'm going to continue to use it to see if it does stand up to all of the claims that it states in the information. And so I wanted to share these with you guys and let you know about these products. I have been enjoying them, and I wanted to share with you guys. I did receive this box, and like I said, I was really excited and really surprised to receive these products, and I have been testing them out. I will continue to test them out until they're all gone. And just depending, the only way that I would not is obviously if I got some kind of reaction, which I think I would have already received if I was going to have a reaction to this. I've truly been enjoying these products and I will continue to use them, and I just wanted to come on here and just share with you guys that I did receive that complimentary, and I was not asked to do a review, but obviously I want to go ahead and do a review on it because I have been using it. And like I said, it is currently in my skincare routine, and so I do use these strictly at nighttime, and the only reason is because I have a daytime one that I'm using as well, a different daytime cleanser that I use. This I feel is more for at night when I'm taking off all of this makeup, because it has the 2-in-1. I feel like it just really gets in there and gets real deep and gets all of the gunk out of my face. And so I've been using these two products at nighttime, and then I have others, different ones I've been using during the day, which I will share with you in another video when I do a current skincare routine video. But I just wanted to go ahead and share those with you guys, and I will definitely keep you updated and let you know what I think, and if they are, if they do, live up to all of the claims that they say on here and in the information. But this was just a quick video to share with you guys today. Go ahead and check out Influenster so that you guys can possibly have an opportunity down the road to receive a Voxbox for yourself. They are constantly sending out Voxboxes of all kinds, and I was, like I said, was very surprised to receive this one because I don't typically get them. I've gotten, this is probably my second one I think I've received. I got one several years ago, a couple years ago I think, and it was just a back to school one with lots of kid items and stuff like that for back to school. But I have not received another one since then, and so I thought this was really great to do that. To receive that and make a video on it. So, like I said, I will let you guys know how the products are working for me, but I wanted to share that with you guys. But go ahead and check them out. It's the Influencer app that I showed you, or influencer.com. Sign up, it is free, and basically you can just go on there, review products that you love or don't, and let people know what you think of products, as well as get reviews on products that maybe you want to try but you're unsure. And they have so many different things. They also let you know about all the new products coming out and all the stuff before it launches and all of that. So check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. See you later.